Here I have Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So to do this, what you have to do is to just open phone application, then tap here, go to the contacts, then tap here one more time, not my profile, tap here, go to the manage contacts, then tap import export contacts, grant permissions. Then if you want to import contacts from storage, or you want to export them from your phone, let's export contacts from my phone to the SIM card, for example. You can also export them to the internal storage, to the SD card, but I'll just do it to the SIM card. Then tap OK. Here you can select contacts which you want to export, so let's export only this one, and then tap done. And now that's how you can export contacts. Copy contacts from your internal storage to the SIM card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.